Hello? Hey girl. Do you see that this wig is not bleeding? Bleeding where? What? All right, guys, we here with Tinashe Hair. What? Tinashe Hair. Tinashe Hair. I always get super excited when I put on their units, because Tinashe always comes for it. They always bring that A game, okay? So I do have that 13x6 lace frontal wig. She's red, not 99J. She is red, okay? Blood red. Okay, this is the inside construction. I just wanted to throw that in there so you guys can see. She's 24 inches and she's 200% in density. This is what the lace is giving us straight out the package. This is the hairline. Okay, it's thick. When I say y'all, it's thick. If y'all looking for some bomb thick hair, this is the unit for you, because it's 200%. So this is the part that had me hype. Okay, look at this. I'm bringing it out. It has soap, conditioner, whatever it has on there, y'all. And look, I'm gonna pick it up. Where is the red? Why is this unit not bleeding? Oh god. I'm probably being a little extra, but like, sis, they need to spill the tea, because like, sis, my wigs, when I dye them, they be bleeding. But what? It's not even on the napkin. I put the gloves on because I literally thought it was gonna bleed. Literally. Okay, let me take it down low. I'm just super hype. Okay, but this is the hair after a couple of days, y'all, and honestly I did this like a week before I actually applied it on my head, so because I knew I had to go somewhere, and I'm like, I'm about to be a showstopper out in these streets. Okay, so I said, let me bring out the red wig today. I don't have my brows on because I ain't had time for all that today. So this is what she's given. I did put some lace tint spray on her, but like, sis, this, let me stop saying system word. Let me watch my words. Okay, but it was too light. Like, this is medium dark brown. I usually would go for dark brown. I love when I have a darker lace because it just blends better. Okay, it just blends better with my complexion. But we had to make it work today. Okay, we really had to make it work. And don't cover my shirt, y'all. This shirt is it has bleach stains on it, so it's old. It's all right. Okay, but I just wanted to let y'all know, if y'all was wondering, what, it's not food or nothing on there, it's just bleach. But we're gonna go ahead and prep our lace to install. As you guys can see in the clip before where I was running my mouth, I did use some alcohol to remove the excess makeup off of my forehead, and now y'all already know how the rest goes. We're gonna go ahead and secure it down. So I've seen a lot of beauty or hair gurus use, like, spray their lace or spray the hairline, then brush it into the hairline. But I feel like I did it in a couple of videos, but I had my wax stick on top of it. Like, I put the wax stick on, then sprayed and brushed it in. Sis, do not use the wax stick first, because in this clip I didn't put the wax on it, and sis, my lace was crunchy. When I started putting that comb through there, it was crunchy, and like I said, it was the got to be glue spray. It was just like, don't put that on the outside unless you already put your wax stick on, because it's gonna get hard, and then you have to take your comb and you know comb it out, and then it's white. Okay, it's ashy. So I wouldn't advise y'all to do that step, but I was trying it because everybody else was doing it, but it didn't work for me. Okay, I really had to go back in and comb out the flakes and, you know, get rid of the crusty hairline. Nobody wants a crusty hairline. So now we're just gonna go ahead and cut off the excess lace, okay? When I'm cutting off the lace, I also add Got to Be Glued to my finger and press it back on the lace just to make everything lay seamlessly and flawlessly. Okay, so after I let it sit for a couple of minutes, about 10-15 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and pull out these baby hairs, okay? I wasn't gonna do a baby hair look, but I was like, I'm not comfortable out in these streets with no baby hairs. I'm just not. So I'm just plucking some of the hair out using my fingers. If you're a beginner, please grab some tweezers. It would be very, very easier. You don't want to mistake and, you know, pull a chunk of section out. Y'all, I did that on a video that I have upcoming. I'm like, oh Lord, how am I hide it? Like, so I would definitely advise you to use tweezers because you have more control. The plucking way that I'm doing, it just grabs too much hair and you can end up balding your lace. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut at an angle and begin to create my baby hairs. And y'all, if I would just actually leave all the footage in here from the time I started to the time I left, y'all, it would be an hour. So don't get distressed. Is that a word? Wait. Don't get discouraged, okay, when you're doing your baby hairs or you're doing your units, because I chop down my videos to about 8 to 10 minutes because I know nobody don't want to sit there and watch me like a raw unedited version of me. Oh my Lord, it would just be an hour long. But y'all, I was frustrated this day doing these baby hairs because it's like every time you know you gotta go somewhere, why is it that your makeup's messed up or your hair is not right? It's stuff be going wrong. So I ended up mastering them though. It took me about 30 to 45 minutes, which cut my time down to get dressed. So in the next clip, we're gonna see me already dressed because ain't nobody got time for that, okay? So I was gonna do a middle part, but I ended up switching over to a side part. All right, so we back, okay? I'm starving, y'all. I'm hungry. I'm ready to go eat. But I am gonna go ahead and put some curls in. And like I said, this is a body wave unit, so I definitely wanted to see what the curls were given. I did switch out the barrel and it's very, very thin because I wanted my curls to last throughout the evening, okay? I wanted my curls to last. And that is pretty much it for the video, okay? But let me just give y'all an overall view. I'm super excited, okay, about this unit because not only is this my most complimented unit, I don't know, I feel like I get compliments on the units that are colored and the units that are curly, okay, when I curl them. But y'all, nobody could tell me nothing. Like I pulled up and everybody's like, oh my gosh, your hair, oh my gosh, your hair. I was like, thank you. Like, thank you. I was extremely obsessed with this hair this day and like nobody was gonna tell me nothing, okay? The curls held up amazingly throughout the entire evening, okay? That's why I said when you do more so like a spiral type of curl, it'll last longer because it's tighter and it's gonna take some time for them to dry. But yeah, so like I said, y'all already seen me wash the hair, condition it. Well, you didn't see it fully, but that's what I did because like I was trying to tint the lace, so I had to go in and wash and condition it. But y'all, this is some beautiful, 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 beautiful hair, okay? I had a minimum shedding as well. As you guys seen in that clip, you ain't see no hair coming out, or you ain't see no hair all up in that sink. No, okay? As far as tangling, I did get tangling when I first took it out the package. When I detangled it, again, after it air dried, there was a few snags and tags here and there. But realistically, that is what you're gonna, you know, get. So I will never come on here and tell y'all that these wigs don't shed or tangle because that's just not reality. It's not reality at all. So we're just gonna brush this out and that is pretty much it. So all the information in regards to this unit will be listed down in the description section below. Let me know you guys' thoughts. Also, please follow my spam page, okay? I will be doing wig giveaways and other stuff that you don't want to miss out, so that information will be listed in the description section below as well. So without further ado, your girl will see you later, and yeah, bye guys.